Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to create a lottery. Like this time is not lottery win. Previously we created something like this, as you see that, and it generates randomly numbers, and then it just show us, it will not repeat the same number and this kind of things. So this time we'll be able to input 6 digits, and it will just compare with our generated lottery number. If we have the same number, if one number, then we win maybe $1,000. If two, like maybe 10,000. This kind of a lottery will just create. We can copy this one and paste what we did it, and then we will be adding more. Or we can create from the beginning. Maybe we'll create from the beginning is better. So here is my lottery win. I will just right click, I will say set as a startup project, and I will just remove this one. In order to keep our console, I write console read line, and then I come here. First we need to input 6 different number from 0 until 49, and we'll assign into array. Let's first declare our array. I will say int, and I will say our let's say guess. I just name it as a guess, and new integer, and then the length, it will be 6, I mean the size. And here we'll just create a for loop, and our I should be lesser than the guess of length, and then here we say console write, let's say console write, and then what we'll do, we'll say here we'll say I plus 1 number, and let's say call lottery number. And then we'll say guess I, and then here we'll say convert to int32 and console read line. In this way we will just assign 6 numbers into our array. We can try it maybe here. We'll put a breakpoint here, and let's run it. Let's say 5. And as you see that, for example, here, let's come and show you, we have 5, 11. Like this, we'll input 6 digits. This is the first thing. The second one, we want our algorithm to create random 6 digits like before. We'll say random, and random, new random, and then we'll create a for loop, we'll put here 6, and then we'll say value, var value equal random to next. Here previously we explained, we say it will start from 0 until 49, and then we'll put a condition. We'll say like this, let's create another array, it's called lottery. And then we say if lottery I, one minute, how did we do? Let's check it. Sorry, here we did lottery contains, sorry, not that, lottery contains, and we say value. If we have the same value, then what we'll do, we will make it, we'll decrease our I, and then we'll say continue, in order to not have the same generated number from 1 until 6. I mean, like 6 numbers. It will start from 0 until 49. And if it is so, then we say lottery I assign value. This is how we did with the same, this one, as you see that. And then here what we did after our for loop, we just sort our array. We have array class sort, and then lottery, it's sorted for us. And we can do the same thing for our guess also. We can say array sort, and let's say guess. So we did like this. Now we'll compare both of them. For example, if we have 6 value in our guess and 6 generated value in the lottery, we'll just compare them. If we have 1, then we'll declare a variable as a counter, and another array that will get our value. If we can have like 4 or 5 or 1 or 6 guessed number, what we, in order to win the lottery. Here I will say int, and I will call win, and here size I will just put 1. The length is first 1 because I don't want to put 6. I will resize it, and here we'll declare 2 loops. First is I, it will start from our guess length, and another 4 in order to compare 2 array to each other, and another one, it will be lottery length. So here what we'll say, and also we'll create integer as a counter. I say int counter, I will set it 0, and I will say here if guess I equal lottery j. For example, if like our I is 5, it will just go entire lottery from 0 until 5 as a length, and it will start make it like as a condition. It will check it. If it is equal, then we will increase our counter, and beside this one we have to assign our array, I mean the win array. We'll say win, and then I will write counter here, and then I will assign our number. Our number, both of them, if it's the same, you can choose one of them, it doesn't matter. I just choose the lottery J. That's like this. And then after this one, I will just resize my array. I will say array because we might have like a 2 number. Our array size, I mean the length is only 1 here, as you see that. We have a class, it called array resize, and here it asks for ref, and then our array name is win, and then size, a new size will say counter. As you see that first our counter is 0, it will assign 0, then it will increase, and then if it is increased our counter is 1, and then our array size it will be 2. Sorry, counter, yes, yeah, I guess. Now let's make how to say, and then after comparison we'll put like if statements. If our counter is 1, we'll win that much money. If it is 2, we'll win that much money, and in the end we'll just list our win. Here we say if counter equal 1, and then as a console we say you have won $1,000, else if counter equal 2, and then let's copy this one, and then let's say we have a $8,000. That's too much, but what I can do, let's copy this one and paste here and paste here and paste here. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the lastly, let's say this is 6. And let's say 16,000, and let's say this one, how much is 1,000? Let's say another 0. 100,000. 800,000, and that's for a million. 3 0 here and 3 1 is million. And if it is else, we say you win nothing. You win nothing. Please try again. We have this kind of algorithm. It is a little bit longer, but it's really simple. Let's we can put a breakpoint where we are supposed to put breakpoint. It's better to put here, maybe here, I think, and we'll check it. If we have like the same number, we'll continue. If not, we'll just rerun again. Let's close this one and let's run it. Lottery 1, I say 5, 15, 19, 25, and 38, and 45. This is my value. And let's say this is our guess, and this is lottery. Let's open this one. We have the same number or not. If not, we'll just rerun again. Do we have it? No. Let's close it and let's start again. 5, 11, 19, 25, 34, and 48. Do we have same number again? Let's see. 48, we have it. As you see that we have true 48. So now our counter should be 1, yes, because we have only one number. And then let's look at the win. As you see that we have one, and yeah, it is just one. We have another, because when we this counter, the next one, the counter will be 2, then we'll resize our array, the length, we will make it 2 for the second one. Let's go now. We did certainly want, we didn't certainly want like 1000. And let's see, input, you have won 1000. We can do again. 5, 11, 24, sorry, not 54. 5, 15, 25, 33, 38, and 45. Now let's see, we have the same number or not. I think we don't have it. Now it will say us you won nothing. See? You win nothing, please try again. This is our algorithm. Let's try it. 5, 11, 19, 24, 32, and 45. Let's see, we have the same number or not. No, we don't have it. Again, we will win nothing, because counter is also 0. This is like this. I'm guessing it will be impossible to win like $1 million. Anyway, this is our algorithm, guys. Please, if you like my channel, subscribe it, and see you in next video. Bye.